Ever wish you could magically make your lead connector tags dance in perfect harmony with all your other apps? Let's unlock the power of automated segmentation and personalized marketing as we learn how to map lead connector tags in Zapier. Step by step. First, you will create a new Zap, starting with a lead connector trigger, like new contact. But for tag mapping specifically, you'll probably want to use the new tag applied trigger. This will initiate the Zap whenever a new tag is added in lead connector. Next, connect your lead connector account to Zapier. You'll need your API key and account ID from your lead connector settings. Make sure to test the connection to confirm everything is working smoothly. Now, Zapier will fetch recent tag application. Select a sample to work with. This helps Zapier understand the data structure. Next, add an action step. This is where the magic happens. Choose the app where you want to use the lead connector tag, such as Google Sheets, MailChimp, or your CRM. In the action step, carefully map the lead connector tag to the appropriate field. In the other application, this is usually a field like group, segment, or a custom field you've created. Map your fields. Finally, test your Zap to ensure the tag is being correctly transferred, and then turn it on. Congratulations, you've successfully mapped lead connector tags in Zapier, paving the way for supercharged automation and lead management.